Okay, alright.
Wake up, dive, breakfast, dive, lunch, dive. The Maldives are so beautiful. It's been an amazing experience being out here, and I wanted to bring you guys behind the scenes on what a typical day looks like for me on the boat. I mean, this morning, coffee as usual. I'm usually up by first light. I was up at 5 a.m. this morning, and they always have coffee out, thank goodness. And then it's time when the light comes out to fly drones. Usually after that sunrise capture, we'll get onto the boat, and it's been an exceptionally rocky kind of day, and I've got my motion sickness patches and all the other stuff, Dramamine, to help me out. But today we got onto the Doni, and Doni is the name of the boat that takes us out for dives. It's a smaller boat, and we went out for a morning dive looking for mantas. We went to a cleaning station, and a cleaning station is kind of a set place where they know mantas come to get cleaned by other fish. And so we checked out the cleaning station, dropped off some underwater cameras with the Manta Trust research team, and then we kind of cruised around. Me and the One Blue Ocean team were capturing some beautiful content. Wow, it was a really beautiful dive. This trip is actually super flexible in terms of where we're going, because it all depends on where we are or are not seeing mantas. So the larger boat, the Conte Max, moved south, super south. We were probably cruising for around 2 to 3 hours, and during that time we had lunch, and I felt very, very seasick. Now we've made it to this really beautiful location where in the channels they often see mantas, and as soon as we dropped the anchor down, I sent the drone up, and I actually ended up finding a manta. I think this is the furthest I've ever flown my drone. Welcome, I'm Christine, and this is Where in the World is Seattle, and I make travel videos every week to help you get up, go travel. So if you like to travel, consider subscribing. This really has been a crazy trip. If you missed the intro video, I'm out here for 2.5 weeks on this liveaboard diving with One Blue Ocean, an amazing, amazing team of creators, as well as Manta Trust, and we are researching manta rays. I learned so much about mantas, and I cannot wait to share this and so much more ocean content with you. So join me. It's gonna be fun. There's a lot more to come. Make sure you check the description and stay tuned for more videos, because we are diving in. I'll see you in the next adventure. Ciao.